Oh, it's on. I'm about to be doing videos on video.
Chucktown girl, now Rock Hill living. I graduated from college. My channel is what you're feeling. I can do some vlogs and do some challenges. I even motivate you when your money's feeling shit. Now just tune in. I just got started. Promise make you laugh. I promise I keep it coming back to see what's new with my channel and all. It's the Ashley Show, and I'm rocking with y'all. Hey, the Ashley Show. It's the Ashley Show. Hey, the Ashley Show. It's the Ashley Show. Hello, welcome back to the Ashley Show. It's the Ashley Show. It's the Ashley Show. So today for lunch, for the first time, I tried meatless. I think it was soybean marinated chicken. Ooh, I just burped. I'm sorry. Indigestion, because I'm so hungry. When I'm like really hungry, I just burp out of nowhere. Anyway, meatless soybean marinated barbecue chicken wrap with lettuce and tomato, and it had like some homemade vinegar sauce, vegan mayo. It was the bomb diggity. I'm gonna input a video there because I was on my Instagram story talking about it. Go. I'm nervous. I don't know what meatless chicken is, but looks pretty good to me. Smells good. Here we go. I'm just happy because it's food, but here we go. Let's try it. Let me wipe my mouth. You saw I took a second bite. Not bad. But then I went to teach a class, and I was talking to one of the members that takes class for me, and she is vegan, and she was talking to me about ways that I can go meatless. I was telling her that I want to go meatless at least one day during the week, and she suggested me doing a meatless pasta. She said spaghetti, and I was like, well, I don't really eat spaghetti. Like, it's just not like a dish of mine that I cook or that I really eat a lot from like other people. So I was like, but pasta is something I do. So, and honestly, you can make this any way you want. You can go get any type of vegetables you want, any type of noodles you want, any type of Alfredo sauce. You can get really creative and make your own Alfredo sauce, which I have done before with like heavy whipping cream. Put your cheese in it. You can add like mushrooms or whatever you want. I'm trying to think of, I don't think I add anything else to make my own Alfredo sauce. You put whatever spices you want in it. But I am making meatless pasta. Okay. So, yeah. I think just going meatless at least once a week will be healthy for me. I'm like a strong meat lover, but I think some of us are so used to like eating meat and feeling like we need to eat meat to fill up that protein section on our plate in our lives. But that is not always the case, okay? And always read the back of your labels. That's another thing that is very important that I've learned. Read the back of your labels, because a lot of things that you think are healthy, not always healthy. All right, and on to my bell peppers. And you can get any color you want. You can add some reds if you want some red ones. But these are the bell peppers that I choose. I put the green ones in my omelet with onions. So green ones is mostly what I eat. But yeah, I cut them up in little squares just because I was like, oh, I just wanted it in the pasta. But I also like just left some really skinny, just because I'm about to put them in a pan and they're gonna cook down anyway. I have my zucchini here and my squash here. I read, though, that it is okay to eat the skin. It's okay to eat the skin from either zucchini or squash. But I read that the skin of zucchini helps with digestion, probably some other things, and like squash I just read that sometimes it's hard to like eat the skin of a squash just because it's a little harder. But they said that you can still do it. So, but I definitely stirring up my noodles. I think it's ready. But I definitely like, I want to say shaved, but you know, like I cut the skin of my squash and I left my zucchini. So here we have my pasta. It's pretty much ready. So I need to just take this out and drain this. I always got to be careful because I don't want to ever overcook my pasta. This is just regular linguine pasta. I have my sauce boiling back here. Probably can turn it down. I don't need to boil that much. But I'm trying something new, guys. Trying something new. I've never tried this pasta sauce before. It comes with Italian cheese already in it. I read some in the ingredients on the back, and it seemed like it was pretty good for your body. Only thing that I'm a little worried about, I'm getting more and more lactose as the days go by. Literally, eating a bowl of cereal will have me have gas for a long period of time, okay? So I'm a little like, it has milk in it. But it says skin milk, so I'm like, maybe that would be better. I buy lactose and I'm still like gassy. So yeah, so what I'm gonna do, also guys, I bought this. Like I said, I'm not huge on cheese, but it's pasta. So why not buy Italian style cheese, which is 1/3 less fat than Parmesan cheese. And it was great value, so it was cheap. Why not? I got another one just in case one didn't do. And, you know, and I like cooked a lot of pasta because I just wanted to make sure I have enough. And I can use the noodles for other stuff. So, yeah. And last but not least, what I didn't show you are my little Bella mushroom. So what I'm going to do with the mushrooms is I'm going to actually throw my mushrooms in with the sauce that I'm cooking. Because the mushrooms cook really fast. And I think to let the bell peppers and the zucchini and the squash kind of like really cook, I'm going to just throw the mushrooms in with the sauce. So stay tuned. Hey everyone, welcome back from that commercial break. I am going to show you what you've been missing. Hi guys, here we are with all of my veggies, very colorful. As you can see, we have zucchini, the bell peppers, the squash, everything. Yep, cooking very, very nicely. I actually have not put any seasoning in it yet. And I think, I don't know. I might sprinkle a little basil, parsley, and Mrs. Dash on top, but I haven't done anything. All I put is a little extra virgin olive oil in it. But I think what's really going to bring the flavor is my Alfredo sauce over here. I think it already has, you know, all the seasoning, so I don't think I have to do much. Pot's looking a little messy, but it's okay. And here are my mushrooms in here. I did not cut those up. So they are looking a little chunky, but it's okay. It's just my mushroom Alfredo. I did add another one of these right here. I have my noodles that I drained. You can just get any one of these right here. I have like in my cabinet, I have that plastic one, and then I have like a silver one, so it doesn't matter. But yeah, that's all to it. I am almost ready to just plate my food. Really simple, really easy, and quick and meatless and healthy. I didn't use like any extra like seasoning, salt, anything. I did use Mrs. Dash though. I decided to put that on my vegetables. Let me show you. I did decide to use this, which is like salt free. Yes. Original blend. And it already comes with basil, parsley, black pepper, onion, you know, cumin, rosemary, garlic. So it already comes. So with all that stuff. So I'm about to plate my food. Because I'm hungry. Oh, and then I even have my Parmesan cheese that I haven't even used yet. Am I going to use it? I think I might put just a little bit in the pasta. Next time you see me, I will be eating. Okay, guys, I am all done. This is how it looks after I done mixed it up. But I have my, as you can see, the vegetables, mushrooms, added my sauce, and I'm about to take a bite of it. I am ready to see what this is all about. Yeah, let's get some of this, some of the bell pepper. First bite, I was just getting all noodle. So I was like, all right, wait a minute. But now I am getting the rest. This is what I needed in my body. This is what I needed. I need fuel. Go all day. Gotta get better. And I don't eat. I gotta get better. Everything's good. Tastes like regular Alfredo. You just don't have the shrimp, the chicken, or whatever else you might put in Alfredo. It's good. If you guys want to put more cheese on top, I might try that. I might try putting more Parmesan on top. It's good, guys. And the Parmesan, the Alfredo sauce adds like seasoning. So you really, didn't need to put anything else. There it is. Signing out. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.